All right, guys, you seen the title and the thumbnail, and we're about to put a twist on some cornbread. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this Creole cornbread. Man, you're gonna love it. Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's ingredients. And remember, these ingredients can be found on my website, ijustcookalot.com or allwingseverything.com. Back here, we have our rice here, shredded cheddar cheese, some yellow cornmeal, milk, cream of corn, baking soda, and keep in mind, baking soda, not baking powder, all right? Onions, we got those chopped jalapenos, 2 eggs, canola oil, and we have some salt. So, not many ingredients, but let's get to it. All right, guys, to get started, we're gonna take an empty dish. We're gonna add our cornmeal, our salt, our baking soda, our onions, and our jalapenos. We're gonna get that baby a mix just like this, kind of get it all mixed together. All right, we're gonna move this aside. We're gonna bring over another dish. We're gonna add our eggs, our milk, our oil, and our cream of corn. And we're gonna mix this until it's well combined. All right, looks like we're good. Let's move this aside. We're gonna bring back over our dry ingredients. Now we're gonna take our wet ingredients and we're gonna slowly add it here to our dry ingredients, mixing it as we go until it's well combined. All right, so once you've got that well combined, you wanna come behind that with your cooked rice. We're gonna get that mixed in here. Again, guys, the rice is cooked. This is not uncooked rice. And once you've combined your cooked rice, you're gonna come behind that with your last ingredient, which is your cheddar cheese. And we're gonna do the same, get that mixed in here. All right, guys, this looks great right there. Now we're gonna move this aside, bring over a 10-inch cast iron skillet. You wanna grease this with a little butter, like this. And just dust it with a little cornmeal at the bottom. Like that. Now we're gonna take our cornmeal mixture and we're gonna add it here to our pan. Make sure you have your oven already preheated to 350 degrees. We're gonna smooth this out like this over the top. We're gonna bake this for 45 to 50 minutes on 350 degrees. So let's go ahead and put this in the oven. All right, guys, this is what we have after about 50 minutes in the oven. Not much else to do but to cut inside this baby and see what it's about. And guys, I was about to cut into that baby, so we're gonna let it cool slightly, let it firm up a little bit before we start cutting it, all right? So we're gonna wait maybe about 15 minutes. And there you have it, guys. Creole style cornbread. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and get into quality control so we can do a quick taste test. Let's go. All right, this quality control, the best part of the show. You know we gotta test these groceries out. Oh man, look at these groceries, man. All right. Oh man, you ain't never had no cornbread like this. Oh man, the rice in this makes a hit, I'm telling you. Then them jalapenos, oh man, add to your list. So, until then guys, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything, and remember, I'm not chef, I'm just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.